Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package, giving you some unique accents such as the grille there, black accents, rims, and black interior cloth. Powered by a 2.7 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Looking into the back seat, you have comfortable seating for 3 with the black cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. Do also have vinyl flooring, which is easier to clean in general. 2 cup holders in the middle with a 12-volt USB and USB-C. And this truck has power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, whatever apps you may have installed, and general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your camera view again, as well as your hazards, traction control shutoff, and moving down, you have your media controls and climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C. Down below, you have this bin with another USB and USB-C. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And back to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, a large cubby here, and then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.